Hey guys, I'm Chef Daz. Today we're going to work with one of my favorite ingredients, seafood. We're doing a shrimp brochette. And what brochette basically is baguette bread that's toasted. Inside this brochette is going to be a lot of ingredients. We have some Kalamata olive. We have, of course, shrimp. Now these shrimp were pre-cooked. We have aroma tomato, fresh basil, and lastly, an onion. And just do a nice dice on it. I'm going to put all this inside my bowl. Take my tomato, cut it in half. And do a nice dice. Kalamata olives. What the Kalamata olives does, it gives it the saltiness. So we're not going to use any salt in this. Now I'm going to take my basil, and I'm going to do a chiffonade cut on my basil. And what chiffonade means is tiny ribbons. So how I make those tiny ribbons, I take about 4 to 5 leaves of basil, I stack them up, and I roll them. Now I have my ribbons, which will go right in. And with my shrimp, I'm just going to do a nice cut. Now that I have it nice and chopped, I'm going to throw that in the bowl. Add a little bit of olive oil. So this is about a tablespoon of olive oil that just went in. Now you have everything combined. I'm going to take some pre-made salsa that I've made previously. I'm going to add that in just to give it a little more flavor. And this is great for hosting. This is a great meal, great appetizer to have friends over and enjoy. Now I'm going to take this and put this right on top of the baguette. And there you go, shrimp brochette. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.